Some may say I'm the new Nigella, but I mean, I don't want to brag or anything, but just keep watching and you'll see why. Only joking, I can barely cook, and when I cook it's like the most simplest meals possible that don't require a lot of cooking and do not require a lot of prep. So without further ado, we are going to be cooking with Krissy. I swear to God, that will never get old. I swear to you right now, cooking with Krissy. I just have to put it on a t-shirt. Why have I not put it on a t-shirt yet? Please someone tell me. So I have a sweet tooth. I'm someone who always craves chocolates, cakes, desserts. When I go to restaurants, I always want to order from the dessert menu, and I have to like virtually stop myself. One of the desserts is actually going to be the first time I'm going to make it, and I saw this on Niall's page. Niall's Megan Grubbs. Man, hey girl. Okay, so Niall does like all these healthy recipes, and they always look so delicious, and I've always wanted to try them. I will pop his Instagram right here, and I will pop it in the description box as well, so you can give him a little look, a little follow, a little support. You know, let's all support each other here. So we're gonna be trying his brownie and cookie dough recipe. It looked so good when I saw it on Instagram, and I was like, I always wanted to try this, so we're gonna try it for the first time together. If I mess up, well, I'm just gonna delete it and then not use it. But anyway, let's get into this video. Oh, but wait, we will start in a bit, I promise. But wow, girl, how are you laying like this? One ear is flopping, your legs are all open up in the air. Excuse me, be a lady. So we are beginning the first recipe, and we're going to be making the chocolate brownies with cookie dough. This is Niall's recipe. So this is going to be the base for the chocolate brownies. We have cacao, whey protein powder, I'm using Woman's Best, mashed bananas, smooth peanut butter. Then for the cookie dough, we have coconut flour, almonds, peanut butter, chocolate chips, a little bit of milk just to loosen up the consistency, and yet again some protein powder. So I'm gonna make all of this, and then I'm gonna pop the mixture into this tray that I've put a little bit of butter to make the baking paper stick. Right, I've cocked it up. I've literally, I don't know what the hell happened, but what is this? This is not a brownie. This looks like a big mess. It was meant to fill the pan. Oh my God, what a disaster. What the hell is this? Okay, we're just gonna go with it. So basically my pan isn't filled, but that's okay. Hi buttons. I'm gonna take the dough balls that I made, I'm gonna whack them on there like that. And I'm just gonna hope for the best. This is not what his looks like. His looks so much better, but I have a feeling that I just did not follow the recipe correctly, but we will just go along with it. It's not all about looks, it's what counts within. Woo! I'm gonna put this in the oven, and then I'm gonna hope for the best. I hope it like cooks and we can eat it, and then I'll let you know how it goes. Oh wow, what a disaster. I think what went wrong is my pan was too big for the mixture. I didn't actually read the pan size he had, okay? Don't judge me, but I'm pretty sure it will taste good because it has cacao powder, protein powder, and peanut butter. What more can you actually want? So, and chocolate chips. But I just think I cocked it up myself and messed it up completely because I'm an idiot and didn't get the right pan size. Oh my god, what a freaking disaster. Anyway, we're gonna move on to the chocolate mousse, which I know will be fine because I've been making this recipe for a very long time. I saw Gordon Ramsay make this recipe like 4 years ago, people, and till this day I still make it. My avocado and chocolate powder mousse. For the avocado chocolate mousse, you need 2 large ripe avocados, some vanilla extract, some cacao powder, and honey. That is literally all you will need. The full method will be in the description box along with the ingredients, so do not forget that. And now we are going to make chocolate mousse. The next recipe is not really a recipe, it's just kind of what I do most nights. I have a very big sweet tooth and obviously I can't just be eating chocolate every single day. That is the biggest lie ever, I totally do. But anyway, this is kind of a mixture of different things in one bowl and it tastes amazing. I absolutely love it. It is basically Greek yogurt, fresh fruit, granola, honey, chocolate chips. You just add it all in a bowl and it just tastes so good, so comforting, super simple, healthy, easy to do, you know. You don't have to use Greek yogurt, you don't have to use honey, you can use soy, almond yogurt, whatever you fancy and whatever your preference is. Coconut yogurt is amazing as well. So I'm going to show you what I do. So basically, we're going to do this together. If you hear tipper-tappers, it's Buttons dropping her toys. So I just get some total Greek yogurt, and so you got my bowl right here. Oh, let me just actually be in the frame. Nigella and all that. So you got the bowl, and then I'm gonna add 1, 2, 3 heaps of Greek yogurt. So that's how much I roughly add. Then what I add is some granola. You can make granola at home or buy a protein granola. This is a protein granola by a company called Fuel, I believe. So I just add a dash, like probably not even a handful, that much. Not even a handful, I don't know if you can see, not even a handful, just a sprinkle. Then we're going to be adding some blackberries because I absolutely love blackberries. So add 4 or 5 blackberries in there. And then we're going to go into my treats cupboard. Oh, pot noodle. No. Joking. And then what we're going to do is I've got like all of this stuff. This is all like nuts and seeds and all of this amazing stuff. So I've got some pumpkin seeds here. So we're going to add some sprinkle of pumpkin seeds in there. And then I'm going to add some sunflower seeds as well. Just a couple. Oh. Then I'm going to add one of these little chocolate thingies. They're from Green and Black. I absolutely love these. So basically it's just like a square of chocolate bar. And you can do this 2 ways. I just break it apart, completely apart, and I pop that in there. Or you can actually like grate it like cheese and then put the shavings on top. And then the final thing I'm gonna add is a dash of honey. Just a little dash, nothing too fancy. Just, see, a little drizzle. And let me just, yeah. And this is genuinely the best thing ever. I'm gonna, let me just close that cupboard. Oh, 2 seconds, there we go. And this is genuinely the best thing ever. It's just a mixture of different things. You have crunchy, you have chocolate, you have fruit. You can add peaches in there. Super nice when you add fresh peach in there. It tastes absolutely amazing. And it's so comforting, it's lovely, it's filling, and you won't feel bad having this after your dinner. And yeah, that is genuinely like one of my favorite things to have if I have a little sweet tooth, you know, a little something. The final recipe is baked pear with ricotta cheese on top, a dash of honey, and a little bit of granola. It honestly is so nice. It might sound a bit like, ugh, baked pear, that is so weird. Just trust me. So basically I have 2 pears here cut in half, and then I have some normal white sugar. Don't panic, chill out. I know some people are gonna be like, oh my gosh, sugar's so bad for you. It's not that bad, just chill. So I'm gonna get a pinch, and I'm gonna sprinkle, just because I just want it to caramelize. So a pinch for each one, another pinch here, and a pinch here. These are a bit small. So that's it. I'm going to sprinkle just a bit of sugar on top. You can use stevia if you want. I'm going to bake these on a low heat for around about 20 to 30 minutes. Skin on. You can have the skin off if you fancy, but I just prefer it with skin on. And then once they're baked, we're going to top this off with a little bit of ricotta cheese, honey, granola, and it's so delicious. These are the end result. Here's the pear with the ricotta cheese, granola and honey, the brownies, the chocolate mousse, and the concoction thing that I made. Whoa, I'm looking hella oily because of all of the cooking and the steam. So that is it, guys. 4 simple recipes for you to try at home. Super easy, super delicious. Hope you give one a go. Buttons! Hi buttons, okay, wow, okay. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, or make sure that you are following me on Instagram. Comment down below for any future videos that you would like to see. Remember that I love you always and forever. Bye.